Have you wondered whether 3D design is for you? Why not try the IntelliBricks Blender class to figure out? Designed for children 12 years and above, this basic course introduces your child to 3D concepts and design using an open-source software Blender with concepts that can be applied to any other 3D software. The course will bring the students through the interface of the software, into the process of creating models from basic primitive shapes, and eventually creating good UV layouts to be able to apply a texture to the objects created. This course consists of 12 sessions of 90-minute classes. To add to all this, as interested adults, you can enroll in this course to see whether 3D animation is suited for you. If you like 3D animation, games, or visual effects movies, join us in this fun adventure. To schedule a demo session, visit www.intellibricks.in and facebook.com/in.intellibricks.